Hello everybody, my name is Shankarji. Now we'll discuss chapter 9, Urban Livelihoods in Civics. A livelihood means a person is working to earn money to sustain his life. Urban area or city means it's a large geographical area, much more larger than villages, and where you will find lots of people interacting with each other. We'll study this first topic, which is working on the street. As you enter big cities or even big towns, you will find lots of people working on the streets as various vendors. Like for example, they can be fruit vendors, they can be vegetable vendors, they can be household items vendors, etc. They might be selling various items on their trolleys. So these people are also known as the hawkers. Apart from this, you will also find many cycle rickshaw operators, then auto rickshaw operators, taxi cab operators, etc. They are generally poor people. Life is hard on them. They have tough lives, but they work independently. They are not able to save much because of their expenses. Apart from this, food and snack vendors sell things that are often prepared at home by their families. However, these street vendors or hawkers, they are not allowed in all parts of the city. In certain areas of the cities, they are not allowed. But you will find lots of them, thousands and millions of people you will find working on the streets and sustaining their livelihoods. Now we will study this topic in the market. Big cities means big markets. So you will find lots of markets in the cities. Apart from lots of markets, you will find lots of banks, hospitals, courier services, supermarkets, you will find shopping malls, you will find big organizations. The markets are the key areas of the cities. Now we'll take an example of Harpreet and Vandana, Businesspersons. They are successful dress designers and entrepreneurs. They have their own showroom in the city, and they have also expanded to other cities as well, and they are still trying to expand their business further. They are very creative and they have utilized their creativity in expanding their business. There are many people like Harpreet and Vandana in the cities. They try to develop their business on their own and they try to expand it as much as possible. But for doing any business in the cities, a proper license has to be acquired by the city's municipal corporation to do business. Even temporary shops, even street vendors and hawkers, they have to notice the city's municipal corporation about their business. Then only they are allowed to do business. Especially permanent shops, a proper license has to be acquired by the person from the city's municipal corporation to do legal business in the various cities. So that's why this business license is absolutely important before doing any business on a permanent basis. So the city's municipal corporation also decides on which day or days of the week the market has to remain closed, and on other important days as well. Like for example, national holidays like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. In the factory workshop area, so there are lots of factories present with lots of workers in the city areas. In these, lot of local and outstation workers and laborers work here and earn their livelihoods. Life is in generally tough for them as well. And you'll find many industries like textile industries, software companies, mechanical industries, electrical industries, electronic industries, automobile industries, etc. City life is full of facilities and advantages. However, due to this, pollution is always there and our health gets affected due to the pollution and all those other factors. This next topic, which is in the office area. In the cities, you will find lots of educated people who work in many corporate company offices and in other offices as well in the cities. There are many advantages of working in these corporate companies, like in multinational companies or even in national Indian companies or even in small companies, like a proper office job. They get regular salaries and other incentives and perks and benefits as well. For example, they also get medical insurance benefits as well for them and their families. Suppose if the employee is ill, he or she can take the company's help because the company will have tie-ups with certain hospitals. He or she can go there and show his identity card that he or she is working for this particular company, and they might get some good amount of discount. This is one of the big key advantages of corporate employees or office-going employees. And the key features of these office-going employees are they attend the same office or factory regularly on a regular basis. So their work is clearly identified. They get regular salaries and their jobs are more secure than the casual workers. So that's why most of the people prefer this kind of regular job, getting regular salaries and living comfortable lives. So you can also do some Google search, and if you have any additional information, you can add it to the existing knowledge which we have. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.